So you have a chip here, chip here, chip here, chip here.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You might need root canals, extractions. Yeah, like it's not looking good at all.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another video, and as you can tell, I'm by myself, and there's a reason for that. Why? Because today is Teola's birthday, and you know we have to celebrate. The first thing that we're gonna do is let's start Teola's birthday off right with a prank. So the first gift Teola's gonna receive is, I'm saying, wife, it's been a while, I'm gonna take you to the dentist to get your smile cleaned up and all that good stuff. But the dentist and I had a conversation, and they're gonna prank her to tell her that all that front teeth is rotten. We gotta take it out today. So let's see how Teola responds to that. She has nerves of steel, but Teola likes her smile. Let's see what's gonna happen. And the second gift being, we're gonna go on a trip. We're gonna go to Rabbit Hill in Edmonton. So we're gonna try skiing and snowboarding for the first time. I'll insert clips or something along that line. You'll see exactly what's gonna happen. But Teola's gonna love that trip. And the third one being a photo shoot. We're just gonna go all over Edmonton, and we're gonna find locations, different locations to take some epic photos and to show how hot, clean, nice my wife is. Let's treat her nice on a day. And just stay tuned, all right? But before you go, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend about the Spencers. You know, our aim is to reach 2,000 by the end of this month. So let it happen. All right, talk to you later.
I'm gonna lean you back.
Get this done.
Ignore me.
I'm ignoring you as usual.
I'm just gonna get this stuff. You still have your wisdom teeth.
I don't want it.
Sorry?
I don't want it. I want to actually take it out soon. A lot of
Bothering me?
problems.
It's actually stuck kind of under the gum, so we might have to remove it. Yeah, that one for sure needs to go. Has cavities. And depending on the x-ray, like how far down it goes, you might need root canals, extractions. Yeah, like it's not looking good at all.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Teeth on both sides. So we'll see what the dentist says and what the x-rays show, but so far, yeah, it's not good.
Do I have to remove my teeth?
It might
Yeah,
lead
for
to that.
that.
Yeah.
How many does she have to remove?
Well, for sure the wisdom teeth. So
Okay.
that's 4. And like I said, depending on x-rays, could be a couple more, and then some root canals and crowns. Yeah, it all depends on
Telling
the
me
x-ray.
teeth bad babe. I just knew it.
Mhm.
At least the front teeth are okay.
That's true. You have a nice smile.
I have a crack here, like. If
So
I
you
was
probably
younger,
grind,
I don't
'cause
know.
Does she grind her teeth?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So you have a chip here, chip here, chip here, chip here.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You're grinding your
I thought it
teeth.
was only one.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. Close. And just grind your teeth right now, back and forth. Like kind of shift them back and forth. Like this. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So you'll probably need a night guard for that. Like I wear one too, because I grind my teeth. You can open. Yeah, and severe gingivitis.
Why am I doing this? I don't want to do it no more.
I'm just gonna mark those down.
Okay. Well, my mouth sound like ICU. My mouth sound like I need to go to ICU.
Well, it could be worse,
Intensive
right?
care unit. Babe, I'm gonna get money for cooking teeth.
Hmm?
I'm gonna get money for replace teeth.
How many
That's
did
like
she say you have to
five.
replace?
A few.
A few? So
They'll probably
four,
take out some.
4 wisdom teeth plus what?
What's that making? Need a full mouth reconstruction.
Mm-hmm.
How much $1 million that?
You're looking good, like couple thousand there. You said you're 29?
Yeah.
When's your birthday?
Today.
Oh, happy birthday!
Not so happy.
So I know with the wisdom teeth, you have an option of doing it with us, or you can see an oral surgeon where they kind of put you to sleep so that it's a lot more comfortable for the patient, right? But that's up to you, however, whichever way you decide to go. Because they're above the gums, our dentist here can do them, but it's a little bit of a comfort thing depending on what you want to do, okay?
So, what do you guys use in terms of sedatives? No sedatives here?
So we just freeze your mouth,
Okay.
and also you have the option of doing nitrous, which is the laughing gas. They put it on.
Oh.
It just eases you. You're awake and you're fully conscious, but you just don't really remember a lot of it afterwards.
Okay.
Yeah. And you do have to be like, she'll have to drive you home. Alright.
Okay.
So that part's done. And we're gonna start the cleaning, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna back up. Well, you guys do that?
Yeah, this whole part's kind of boring.
No worries.
I'm just gonna center it. If anything bothers you, you let me know, okay? Because I have a whole range of like desensitizing agents I can give you.
Okay.
Sorry, I mean numbing agents.
Okay.
But you let me know. So,
Oh my gosh. I keep feeling
we're
a
just
little
gonna
bit
talk
lighter.
for a minute. So, because it's your birthday, I'll give you the good news first.
Oh my god.
I was just kidding.
You were just kidding?
Yeah.
Wait, about my teeth?
Yeah.
And I have to take out
No.
more than 6? I'm like, imagine myself, how would I look with gums? I'm like, maybe I can adopt.
Dentures, you know.
You were kidding?
I was. The
Oh my
cleaning's
God.
done. Your teeth are beautiful, actually.
Did you tell her to, Andre, tell
Yeah,
you
it's
to?
all him.
I almost cried, but I
I-
was like, Tila, you know what, you cry too much.
I thought you were gonna cry, Tiola.
No, I
wanted her
was
to tell you-
gonna, but I said, you know what, whatever. Because for real, like, I need to go to
50,
dentist.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Tiola, I-
Ever.
But we're not pulling anything.
Alright.
No, actually, I actually believe her. I actually believe her.
You're so quiet though. I thought you were gonna cry the whole time.
No, I wanted to, because when she said happy birthday, I was like, not so happy. And then I felt the tears coming. And I'm like, not today. Is there somewhere I could spit a little bit? Or?
Yeah. I just have to grab a new instrument, but I'll I'll be right back.
Like, I don't want to come to the dentist crying.
You wouldn't be the first there. Nobody likes coming to the dentist.
What are you doing, Till?
I'm spitting.
Oh.
Yeah. Because,
Sorry,
man,
one sec.
it's been a long time I haven't been to the dentist. And it's important to go to the dentist so you don't lose your face.
What would you like to tell your audience?
Go to the dentist and brush your teeth right now.
Alright, give me a smile.
But my teeth feel lighter, like it's weird.
I wanted her to traumatize you, but I see.
No, I was.
Let's tell her thanks.
Thank you
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh yes, and thanks for going along
for
with my video.
traumatizing me.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So Tiola, how did you feel?
Stressed out. for
Also,
sure.
what about our actress here?
I feel really nice. She did a very good
Exciting.
job. Like I feel my teeth feel a lot lighter. Way lighter. But I have a headache because I was trying to imagine myself without teeth, with gum. Like how would I look? Yeah.
But anyways, thank you so much for helping us out with this prank. We appreciate it.
No,
And you guys can continue to do your stuff. I'm gone.
You guys find the time to prank me.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?